Describing what you see. When you're learning geometric concepts, it's crucial to have accurate drawings to represent the information. It is helpful to know what words and phrases can be used to describe figures. Likewise, it is important to know how to read a geometric description and be able to draw the figure it describes. So these figures right here are here to show you. Let me just kind of make this bigger, right, like this. What is that? It's kind of blurry, but here's a picture of a line. You can see the little arrows. And point Q is on the line, and the line is called line L, lowercase italicized L. So we would not call this line QL or LQ. It is just line L, and the point Q is on it. Also, line L contains Q. So this is another way to pronounce or to describe this picture. A third way would be that line L passes through point Q. Okay, so this is 3 ways to describe the same line picture with 1 point on it. Okay, so now let's move over to this one. I don't know what that blank space is. Okay, so now I have this new picture. I've got 2 lines on it and a point. Lines R and T intersect at point W. So we don't write the word point, but we know we're talking about a point because it's that capital letter. Point W is the intersection of line R and T. Also, point W is on R and point W is on T. So this is different ways to describe the same picture. Okay, now let's look at this picture. We've got a lot of descriptions for it. Okay, so I have a plane with a line on it and a line that goes through it, okay? Can everyone picture or visualize this 3D figure? It's like a line with a line over here and then a line that goes through it through a different point. So we have line L and point R are in plane L, plane in. So this point R and this line are in the plane. Point R lies in plane in. So R is in this plane. Plane in contains R and line L. Line M intersects plane in at R, plane in at R. So the line goes through it, it intersects it. Point R is the intersection of line M with plane in. And lines L and M do not intersect. So can you see how this line here and this line do not intersect? They're not intersecting at this point. It's just off to the side a little bit. So you've got a plain line over here and then a line over here. This reminds me of a word of the term skew lines. So let me show you what that means. A new vocabulary word. So see how we have, this is like a 3D box, okay? Like a Kleenex box. And you have this line and then this line over here. And they're never going to intersect. And those are called skew lines. Skew lines. So add that to your journal.